Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to code for two classes, namely person and student, where person is the base class and student is the derived class. In this, it should contain last name, first name and ID number. This is the grade. They have given some conditions over here to apply the grade. Now let's go for the coding part. In this they have given an inbuilt coding part here. This is the inbuilt coding. In class person, they have given first name, self, first name, last name and ID number. In print person, they have given print name, first name, then last name, comma, self, the first number, then ID number given the ID, they are giving like ID. Now we are going to the part which we have given the code. In this, we have given class student person. In this, we have given self, first name, last name, ID number, and score. In this def calculate self, we are applying if statement over here, if and elif statements over here. If this is greater than or equal to 90 and less than 100, it will give O grade over here, O grade in the display. If this is greater than or equal to 80 and less than 90, it will assume with E grade, A grade, O grade, like that. It will assume over here according to this. This is the code they given by default over here. In this they have given split statement, then first name, last name, ID number in the lines 0, 1, 2, then number score, num score, this scores over here. Now if we run the code, it will show congrats, because we have got the outputs which they have expected. Then we can give submit code. In this we can see all the tests were cleared. In this question, we have to create a superclass book with data such as book title, book author, then price and number of copies. Then you should create the subclass called library that will do the following functionalities for this code. In this class book, we have defined self, title, author, price and number. In library, we have given book, self, title, author, price and number. In this, get title, get num, get price, then add, subtract, then string, return title, author, price and number of books, the format of self, title, self author, self price and self number. In add book, we are given print n with book with string 1, string I plus 1, title, enter the title. It will ask when we run the code, it will ask enter the title, so we are giving this. When we give this, it will add over there, so we are giving this. Enter the name of the author, enter the rent of the book, then enter the number of books over there. Then if everything you are given here, it will show books are added successfully. Likewise, we are giving for borrow book, display book, return book, and flag is equal to true. This is the statement which will run the program. For running the program over there, when I just run the code, it shows book 1, which book you have to open. I gave 1 and enter the title of the book, Harry Potter I gave. Then it asked for name of the author. I gave this author name. Then rent, I gave the rent. Then number of books 2. Then it just saved. So I just gave in book, I just gave second book, number 2 book. After that I gave Sherlock Holmes, then the name of the author of the book, then rent of the book and the number of books there. It's added successfully. Yeah, it shows the message. After that, I gave my choice to borrow book. Here, borrow book. Borrow book. In this, title is Harry Potter. Here, enter the number of book 1. Then total rent is 150. Then I purchase successfully. Borrow because I am borrowing the book. Now I am going to display the books. Here, displaying the book 3. Sherlock Holmes. Title, author. I just gave this. Automatically it showed this. The price and number of books available. Now I'm just giving return. I'm just going to return the book. So I'm just giving the choice for here title of the book and number of books I want to return. So one book has been returned successfully. Then 5 used to quit. This is the code which is for library usage. Thank you for watching this.